Hey guys, your right keys. Welcome back. We're live on Binance Nigeria announcement page. So you want to join up in here? There are lots of giveaways that are currently going on. We have 1000 BSD giveaway live on prediction for Nigeria versus Tunisia. So this match is over with. I think the latest one now is Cameroon versus Comoros. So if you made predictions, you want to check up so you see your the winner list. 20 participants are usually selected on a regular basis for these airdrops, and it comes with 24-hour visit. All you need to do is to retweet their pin post, follow them on the social media, on Instagram, on Twitter or Facebook, and you're good to go. Submit your ID, and that's it. So we're going to check out some comments here. So I'll try as much as possible to drop the link in the description box. Uh, so you can also meet with other crypto related people here live on Telegram. So that's a good thing. So there are basically lots of giveaways, guys. So we do hope you find these. The official Telegram is Binance Nigeria. So you want to take note of these. Of this, there are also lots of other giveaways. So the AFCON match is still ongoing. It's still ongoing, so it's not yet. They've not done the finals yet. So if you're good in predictions, you want to come up and do it. They also have lots of programs here that you want to apply on. So I think it's a good one. It's a good one. So guys, if this is your first time of coming to our YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe to our videos. We do drop updates on relevant crypto updates, news, and more. So you want to sign up to our YouTube channel, stay subscribed, and if you have any questions or any assistance, you can let us know in the comment section. If you do not have a Binance account, I do suggest that you utilize the link in the comment section. It gives you access to up to $100 bonus, sign up bonus when you utilize our referral link. So those are some of the perks, guys. So guys, peace out, stay safe. You should buy keys. See you in our future uploads. One love, guys.